she'll know how to join
I
us.
can add her again to see if, because she picked up on her phone the first time, right?
Yeah.
Did she, or did she start out on her computer?
I thought she started on her computer or something.
Oh, true. Sorry, guys. I don't know what.
Okay, so for number 9, we both got the z-score of 5.892, and then when we tried to put that in the applet, it would not work.
Let me see what I got. 5.82. What is the probability of mean? So I got 0.991. Let me see why I got that. It just didn't, because it's probably too big to put in the applet, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Let's see. Greater than 80. Oh, save that. So then you switch that number. 50, 50. I got negative 2.357.
For the z-score?
Yes, but I haven't put it in yet. So let me just double check and make sure this is the same thing I did. Yeah, so I got the z-score. So I switched the sample X to 8,540. Then I switched the number to 50.
Yeah.
So that gave me the z-score of negative 2.357.
Okay, that's. I'm doing a screen share so you can see mine, but I did that and I changed it, and it still is giving me a way different number.
Your sample size. Okay, it's because your number is in the wrong order, I think. No, wait,
am I supposed to do sample size minus population size?
So it's supposed to be, yeah, your sample size minus your population size.
Okay, I did it wrong. Okay, but that still gave me a z-score.
It's 540. It's because you have your population mean supposed to be 8,544. That one, yeah.
It's supposed to be what?
8,544.
Wait,
there we
why?
go.
Hold on.
Okay, and you put that in there.
I'm confused. Why is it 8544, not 8550?
Because the 8544, that is going to be the population mean. That's at the top of the question.
Oh, I thought that was the
like
sample mean.
No, that's the population mean.
It says
and then
right
our sample
here, the sample mean is found to be
okay. So then it switched to 8,540, I think.
Okay, so I was just negative 2.357.
There we go.
Okay, so area 0.991.
Yep.
Cool.
Did you understand that, Angie?
I'm still trying to figure out what we are subtracting at the beginning and why.
So we're subtracting, we're just doing the same equation we did on the problem before.
Yeah.
But we just changed the numbers.
Yeah, I just didn't, I I put what Kaylee and I did the first time when you weren't on was we took the 8,550 that it says is the manufacturer capacity and then subtracting 8,540, the new sample mean capacity.
Yeah, I think you just have the numbers a little bit off. I think that's it. So you use, for this sample size, it's going to be 8,540. So if you look in, so I'm pulling up the quiz, it says for 9, it says all that will be greater than that number. So that's why we use 8,540. So that's now our sample size. And then you're also going to use your population mean will be 8,544.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, go ahead.
Was the z-score 2.357?
Negative 2.357, yeah.
So in the subtraction, is that how you get the negative? Is it supposed to be 8,540 minus 8,544?
Yep. Just swap them.
And then I still need to put that in the applet?
Yeah, so then you take your z-score and put it in the applet and highlight everything to the right of it.
And so is it 0.991?
Yep. Yep. Cool.
Did we ever get Elena back?
She texted saying something. I didn't look at it though.
Okay, so number 10 is the probability of committing type 1 error.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. And then number 11, is it the third one and the last one?
Yep, that's what I got too.
Okay.
I like these ones we don't have to do equations.
12 I wasn't sure because the sample size is only 16, but it also says their data follows a normal distribution.
Yeah, so I think I put the second one. I don't know, what did you put?
I don't know. It was between the second one and the last one for me.
Okay, what did you put, Angie?
I put the first one, so evidently that's not right.
Because the sample size is large.
It's not large, is it?
No, because it's only 16.
Oh, 16. Oh, I think I
Maybe you just accidentally clicked the wrong one.
meant to put that.
Yeah. I don't know what he. Then okay, so the last one looks like the distribution of sample mean is not like the sample size. So the population. So their data follow a normal distribution. So there we know it is normal because it follows a normal distribution.
That's what I was thinking, so I'm confused. So do you need to have a sample size of 30 in order for it to meet the requirements unless it says that it follows a normal distribution?
I think so. I know that confuses me too. I think there's some tests you don't need 30 and there's some tests you do, but with this one, if one of them says that it does follow normal distribution, even if it has a smaller sample size, then you can say yes, is distributed normal.
Because I
I
get
think
it
you're
not
right.
needing 30 in cases like this where like there aren't very many beluga whales anyway.
Yeah, that's true.
But if you're
It's
like
hard to
trying
meet
to
that.
do, yeah, it's hard to get like 30 samples for that. And I think you can respectively say 16 is enough to get a general idea.
Right. That's funny.
Okay, number 13. This one's small.
Great. Okay. Oh, this is just p-value though. That's rates of return.
Okay, the population is known.
Did you get a p-value of, where did it go? 0.859?
Okay, I don't remember how you calculate p-value in this case.
I think I just did the one sample t-test, but I can't remember. I'm trying to pull up all my equations.
Yeah, but it also says the p-value is known. Or not the p-value, the...
Oh, I was like, the p-values now? Oh, the mean of return of 0.95. I don't know if I got this one right.
Does that affect anything?
I don't. I think so we have to change it on like on the Excel sheet. I think that's the only thing that it affects. No hypothesis.
It's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Nope. So are we supposed to have more than one set of data in that file to have something to compare it to?
I know, because it sounds like you're comparing something. So I'm
Or
confused.
is this when it's already
I
compared?
think it's just one though.
Wait, what you get as a p-value, Angie?
0.859?
Okay, I'm unsure now.
But I
What
didn't
did
do
you get?
anything except copy and paste
Oh,
it
that's
into
why.
t-test.
I copied and pasted something wrong. Hold on.
I don't think I changed
Okay.
anything. I guess it depends on if you change that type of test, that changes the p-value. Greater than, less than, or not equal to.
Okay,
Not
full
equal to.
t-test, right?
Yeah.
And you just put the data in, change
Yeah,
the
that's what I'm
confidence
using right
level
now.
to 0.95, and type a test less than.
That's what I was wondering.
I think it is less than. I'm trying to read this thing again. I don't think I got this one.
Does he determine if his performs significantly worse? sounds like less than.
What are you guys getting?
For p-value, I got 0.245-ish.
Oh. Did you not equal to them? Is that right?
I did less than.
I did less than 2, and mine says 0.858.
What'd you do for null?
But my data looks different than yours. My first number is negative 8.63.
That's my first number too. Maybe she put hers in order? I don't know.
I didn't.
Oh, okay.
Your first number is different than mine? That's weird.
Yeah. My first.
Because I opened
bunch
this
of them are
document just
different.
now, so. What?
Super weird.
I'm confused because I opened this document. I can open it again though. I mean,
It's just weird that it's like different numbers.
Yeah, it's more than just the first that's different. You made it.
oh, I think I know what I did wrong. So for some reason, it was like already scrolled down halfway, so I didn't copy the first half of the data.
Oh, that's funny.
Let's see now. Okay. My p-value is still different. I got 0.128.
1, 2.
Ellen, is your computer working?
Did you put 0.95 in the main? What's that banging noise?
I don't know. Like someone's typing on me.
Okay, what answer did you guys get for the p-value again?
0.8589.
0.8589?
So what number are you on now?
Oh, hi.
13?
Well, I didn't catch the number.
13.
13. You think you could tell me what we got for, I lost you guys after 8.
I can tell you. So 8 is 2.236.
Mm-hmm.
9 is 0.991.
Mm-hmm.
10 is the second one, the probability of a type 1 error. you good there?
Yeah.
Okay. 11 is the third and the fifth one.
Okay.
12 is the second one.
Okay.
And now we're on 13.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Hey, could one of you look at my screen share and tell me what I'm doing wrong?
If we could figure out what we're doing wrong. Yeah, look at yours.
Devin, what number did you end up with? Do we all have separate ones?
Yeah, I think we all have different numbers. I had that number actually,
What number?
Kaylee. What you had?
You-
0.1.
point one
I got that at
two
some
eight.
point. I had it and then I changed stuff around trying to figure out if I'm doing it right.
Don't you have to leave at like 5 for work or something?
I have work at 5:30, yeah.
Okay. Oh, have you already done all of the make inference and take action assignment?
No, I started it. So that we wouldn't have to spend too long on it, just because I know
Looks
these
like it's like
meetings
all
can get
done.
long. Paragraphs, I think. But other stuff, I did all the other stuff.
So just the number 11, the conclusion.
11 and
12.
then sorry, it's 12 and 5.
Okay, I'll highlight them so we don't forget to do them.
That's good. Like I said, I can always meet on, tomorrow or Friday or Saturday if you want to wait. So.
Okay. But you did number 12?
No, we haven't done 12 or 5.
Wait, oh, you did 11?
Yeah, sorry, we did 11.
Okay. Cool.
Devin, was that the one where he said that we should do the two different QQ plots and box plots showing?
Yeah, he said we could do it on
with and
there.
without?
He said we could do it on there, and then also, or said mainly to do it on our PowerPoint.
Yeah. I remember everything on that, but I wasn't sure on this one.
I know. Yeah, it was a lot. I'm like, oh.
Okay. So you're still trying to figure out 13, right, Devin?
Yeah, but we can just move on if you want.
What did you originally get as your answer?
I don't know if I'm just using the wrong one or what I'm doing. I got 0.019. But I don't know if that's right.
Okay, so we know the confidence level is 0.9, right?
Uh-huh.
And the type of test is less than?
I think so.
And we don't know the null?
Yeah, worse. And don't know the null. So I keep getting what you have, the 0.128.
Yeah. So you're just trying to figure out how you got the other answer originally?
Yeah, but I'm good to go with the 0.128 if you want.
Okay. Let's just try that for now.
But I did. No.
So what did you get for the p-value?
Hold on.
Originally or now?
Right now.
0.128.
0.128.
Yes.
Which of the tests are you using?
One sample t-test.
What did
Yeah?
you get?
Are you using one sample t-test or?
Yeah, one sample t-test.
So you put the data in the variable one thingy and you had the confidence level at 0.95 and the null hypothesis at 0.95 and the type of test is less than?
I didn't have anything in null hypothesis. Maybe that would change stuff though.
Would you have a null
Oh,
hypothesis?
okay, so I see what you're saying there. So it said that the S&P has a known population mean return of 0.95. So is that the null then?
That's what I'm assuming.
There it is. Yep.
Okay, so now you get a p-value of 0.019.
Yep.
Yes. Okay. I'm like, what did I do?
So that's the answer then?
That's what I did. Yeah.
0.019. Wait.
Can you show me this screen? Because I should have all the same numbers as you, and my p-value doesn't stay the same.
I'm doing a screen share and you can look at mine.
So we're doing a 0.019. What did you guys get for 14?
I'm still, Angie, are you good?
I took a picture, but I'll have to look at it because I don't know. I have.
Okay, I haven't moved on yet because it was showing how many.
Okay. Angie, she changed the null hypothesis to 0.95. That's what changed.
And I added that, and it changed some, but I still don't. Now I have 0.3778.
Is it on less than?
Yeah.
Hmm.
But my n says 100. I was looking at that, wondering.
Oh, change it to 39.
Should I have to manually do that, or does that mean something's corrupt with my?
Manually change it, so maybe something's corrupt with mine.
Wait, her n is not 39?
Yeah, that's why, probably.
Well, you probably shouldn't change it.
I must have
But in the
manually changed it at
variable
some
one
point.
column, you might have the wrong numbers. Because, I mean, I did. When I opened it up, it gave me only half the numbers. And I realized I needed to scroll
Well, hers
up.
is 100.
Your n is 100?
I manually put it 39. I might have messed something up, though. But it worked.
But what's weird is when I change it to 39.
Are you on
it changes
15
the
right now?
numbers.
We're on 14, I guess.
Okay. I was just confused by what you were talking about.
Angie, put 39 at the top where there's that section that is the mean, standard deviation, and n. You would put 39 up there, see if it changes anything.
Okay.
You didn't change the n here, right? On
Mine said 100,
the output.
so I changed it.
Oh, yeah, I didn't change it. Never mind. It has some calculation. Did you put 39 at the top?
Yeah, and it didn't change anything. I wonder if that means something's bad.
Yeah, you might want to get it.
Get a new one.
Yeah, I would download a new one.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
not calculating it right. Darn. Okay.
For
Okay,
14,
14
you
I
get
got.
the second.
Yeah,
Dependency.
I got the second one.
Okay. Okay, 15 then.
I got the second one as well.
That was 14, right?
Yeah.
That was just number 2. Okay.
You did a 2-sample t-test for this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So p-value. Oops. P-value, did you get 0.404?
Got 0.096. Let me see what.
I got 0.096.
Okay, good.
Figure.
And it's stupid because that Excel sheet has like half the numbers missing, or you have to like do it twice.
I think on that one we did the paired sample because it's the cost
The
of
two
90 days.
the 2-sample t-test pair, right?
Oh, because they're comparing it. Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying.
The same flight. That might make a difference.
Sorry, that's fine. I don't know the names of them.
It doesn't matter what you put in for variable 1 and variable 2, right?
Makes a difference.
It does.
Mhm.
I think we're supposed to do 90 days first and then 14
Okay.
days second.
That's
which
what I
is
was
in flip
thinking.
order.
Oops.
Are you sick?
Mhm.
You sound miserable.
I know, poor thing.
Yeah, I'm just really talented that they do it on finals week.
I know, of all times.
It's not. Hold on. Okay. P-value, I got 0.096.
Yay.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Is it the first one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got the first one too. And then 17, I got the third one.
Hold on.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to.
Yeah, that's what I think.
I got the third one again for 18.
Yeah, that's what I think as well.
Yeah.
Um, 19. Is it the second one?
That's what I put.
Okay.
I don't know if it's right, but that's
Yeah.
what I
I
guess.
think so.
Because it sounds like that's
I think
the,
it's the second one.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, he hat. Yay.
Um, I don't know how to do this.
It's the two condition equations that we were using before.
Oh yeah.
Oh, because it needs to equal 30, right?
Yeah.
Or be greater than 10.
Yeah, I thought it was greater than 10.
Oh,
I don't know though.
I have no idea how to solve this. Is there an equation?
Yeah, it has to follow. It has to. Yeah, it is the 10. There's the first equation is p times n, and the second one is p times parentheses n minus 1.
Yeah.
They both have to be equal to or greater than 10.
Yeah. Wait, so like I mean more like a can I put this in Excel to figure it out?
No, I made one in Excel though. But you have to do it yourself, yeah. I got 50, so tell me where to go back.
What did you guys get?
50?
50? Oh.
Yeah, what did you get?
I got 13.5.
Okay, maybe I'm drunk. Let me look. Did anyone else get 13.5?
I tried.
I still have no idea how to do this.
How'd you get yours, Devin?
That same thing that like equation, and you kind of pick what's higher. I'll tell you the equation. Hold on. Yeah, it's the 7. So the number minus, or sorry, number times 1 minus 5, the p hat.
So
What
the
did
two
you do?
equations that you're using are p times n and p times n minus 1, right?
Yeah. And the P is 0.8. So on the
P's
first one, the
0.8.
lowest can be 12.5, but on the second one, 12.5 isn't enough. And I tried Elena's 13.5, and that works. Right, exactly at 10. But I'm sure there has to be a better way to figure it than
What's the smallest value?
guessing it.
I could show you my screen, but I don't know. Well, because it has to be above 10. Is it larger than 10? Yeah.
So when I did the one to satisfy n times p, the smallest gave me 12.5. But when I did the one that's n divided by 1 minus p, that gave me 50.
So is it 1 minus n instead of 1 minus, oh yeah. Okay, I was remembering the equation wrong. That's why I was getting it wrong.
So would the answer be 50? Because 12.5 is the lowest you could get if you just took the n times p, but it doesn't satisfy the n times 1 minus p.
I had the things mixed up. For some reason, I was thinking p and n were mixed up.
Okay, so it is 50. Everyone's good on that then?
Yeah.
That's why I was asking about the equation. So the equation is what again?
Because there's two of them, right?
Yeah, there's 2.
So for me, I just did 10 divided by what they
1.
gave us, 4 divided by 5.
I know that. I don't remember one of the equations. Not the p times n, but the other one.
Yeah, and then the other one is 10 divided by 1 minus 0.8.
So it's p times 1 minus, so it's n times 1 minus p.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I was asking. Okay.
Oh, you meant the actual equation, not how to solve it?
We know how to solve it.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't understand.
Thank you.
So would this be the last one? It's not that one. It's not equal.
Yeah, I think so.
It'd be the last one because it has to be greater than 10. Or it's less than. Yeah. Yeah.
So was 22 the last one?
I got. Yeah, I got the last one.
Okay. This is a 1 proportion, I think.
Yeah, I think it's what we did before. I'll have to look back and see. I did this one too.
So for 23, are you finding the z-score and then putting it in the probability applet?
Yeah, like we did last time.
Okay.
I'm trying to redo it so that I can make sure I did this right.
So would it be
So did you-
0.099?
Yeah, I got, well, because you'd run that up.
0.996.
The answer it gave me is 0.0996.
Yeah, that's what I put
But
in.
we're supposed to round it to the 3 decimals, so would that just be 0.1?
Okay.
I think it's 0.996.
Is that,
I would probably keep it as 0.996.
I got
But I'm sure-
0.0996.
Oh, 0.0996. Yeah, sorry. But maybe you could round it. I don't know. I don't know how
I
many
did it in the Excel spreadsheet and it gave me 0.0995, but even rounding that up, it would be 0.1.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So the answer is 0.1.
I'm gonna put 0.0996, but I'm sure that would be fine too.
Okay, I hope.
I just don't want to redo the whole thing if it's just with that one thing. So I don't know.
Yeah. 24 would be 0.182, right?
24?
Mhm.
I don't even know how to figure this one out.
Well, it's giving us the z-score and the the p-value to the right of that z-score. But in the hypothesis test, it's the that it's different instead of less than or higher than.
Okay. So you
You
just
just
multiply by 2.
mm,
Okay.
0.182, right? You got?
Okay. I get it. So 25. So wouldn't it just be the first one?
I have missed this one so many times.
wouldn't it be the bottom one?
the
Any
last
animal
one.
do?
Yeah, it's the last
Yes.
one.
The last.
Why is the last one? Oh, it says it's
One of
known
those
that the
trick
distribution
ones.
is normal. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Just kind of what we were talking about with the whales.
Okay.
So it's no. Oh, wait,
Why is it no?
hold on. I forgot to put in the other half of it.
Oh wait, I didn't. Okay, hold on.
So it would be the last one because the women one does not meet that requirement.
Yeah.
Hold on. Wait, the second sample. Oh, so it is the last one, right?
I think it's the second one.
I think it's the second one too.
These residuals.
So it's the last one?
I thought it was the second one.
Why is it the second one?
Actual weight loss by 5 pounds higher than
What?
expected. I'm just reading this. I'm just double checking.
Put your swimsuit on.
So isn't it where residual is like the predicted value? I thought
So it was like the third one, but
that's.
For 26?
Oh wait, what?
28.
we're
Oh,
on
26
20.
is the
What
last
question are
one.
you on?
Sorry, we're on 28. Okay.
I was like, oh my gosh, I don't understand. Okay.
Yeah, 26
I
is
was
the last
really-
one.
Okay, I was really confused there.
And then 27 is the second one.
Okay.
I think it's the second one because residual talks about the predicted amount. What did you think, Kaylee?
I thought it was the third one. I'm not 100% sure.
Andy, did you have something, a guess?
I said the third one when I did it on my own.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna look
just
up.
gonna
I'm
read
looking
through it
up
again.
residual right now.
I'm gonna stop doing my quizzes in the middle of the night after this.
So residual is the quantity remaining after other things have been subtracted or allowed for. Because the residual, hold on. Actually, I'm gonna look it up.
You should have one residual value minus the predicted value.
Because residual is affected by the x and the y variable, right? So like variable in this case would be the people who didn't work out, and the y is people who did work out, right?
I don't know. Oh, that his residual was 5.5 pounds. Observed value minus his predicted value. That's what residual is.
But there was nowhere in there that said he had a predicted or weight loss.
Well, I don't think it would be his actual weight loss, though. So his actual weight loss was 55 pounds higher than his observed weight loss. Which, that makes sense to me because it's your observed value minus your predicted value. And so that would be like his residual. The amount that he actually
okay,
lost
so-
minus his predicted value of losing.
What I don't understand, this is why I'm confused. So one variable is the group of people who didn't exercise, and the other variable is the group of people who did exercise. And the residual compares those two numbers. And there's nothing in there about his predicted weight loss. And like for example, if you went to in the quantitative inference procedures Excel spreadsheet, there's nowhere in there where you're supposed to put like what his predicted weight loss is, but you can still get the residual.
Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying.
So I don't think his predicted weight loss has anything to do with the question.
Pretty soon. It just depends on traffic.
But it's talking about him personally, though. That's why I think it is the second one. Because one of the clients was told that his personal residual was 5.5 pounds.
I thought that would have just been compared to the median.
Yeah. What does this mean? I don't know.
But do you get what I'm saying? Like,
No, yeah, I understand what you're saying. That makes sense.
I don't really know much about what residual is, to be honest. That's just what I'm assuming from. I'll look it up in the textbook.
I have to leave in 10 minutes.
So the residual for an observation is defined as the difference between the observed value of y and the value that would have been predicted by the regression line. So his number is just, so his personal residual is just the difference between what he got and where the regression line is.
Yeah. We can move on. That's I don't really.
So do you still think it's the second one?
I do. I know. Last time you guys thought on the other one. I don't know why. I feel like when I read this, but I don't know.
That's why I'm confused, because it didn't say anything about predicted weight loss.
I remember reading a question like this in some sort of a quiz. I just can't remember what from.
What do you think? What do you guys think it is?
I think it's either one or two.
One or two?
The second or the first. I can't quite remember what the other one was. I could have sworn it was just the quiz yesterday.
So it's not the third one then?
I don't think so.
Okay, so let's just go with the second one, and if it's wrong, I mean, we'll know.
Okay, sounds good.
Because we have to get going.
Get going, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, 29. What did you guys get?
The second one?
I chose the third one.
I chose the third.
You chose the third too?
But I don't know why. Yeah.
I think I did. Line goes up.
No idea.
Why would it be the third one? They didn't say anything about 3 months or the time frame or anything.
Don't trust me on this one.
Sorry, what'd you say?
I said, I think I just guessed on this one.
I just wondered. Oh, it does say that it was all based on the 3 months that they were exercising the exercise program.
Oh, wait, this is from the previous question. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, now it makes sense. I'm like, I don't know where I got that information. Was that 1% on average, 5 pounds or less? 3 months.
Wait, where did you find that it's talked about the time period that this was done in?
It's about halfway through it. It says for the exercise group, they use the population with percent compliance with the exercise program as the explanatory variable and pounds lost in 3 months as the response.
Oh, okay. I don't know the answer, so I'll just assume it's the third one too, I guess.
Luckily, we can retake it. Okay, 30. I put the second one and the last two.
That's what I got. I said
Yep, that's what I did.
D&E. Okay.
Did anyone actually do 31?
I didn't any of them, so I didn't know we were.
Did you do it, Angie?
Nope, I don't have any done from 31 to 37, and then I did the rest. I
Okay.
think I was working and I didn't have Excel with me.
I got 0.78. I don't know if we want to go through the rest of these so that we, or what do you want to do?
0.78.
How much time do we have?
Yeah, I just have
So
to
what you
leave in
said?
5 minutes, so I don't know. Yeah, 0.78.
You could tell us what there's an echo, sorry. You could tell us what you
Yeah, you could
got
just
for
tell
each
us.
of the questions and we could continue to go through it and tell you what
Yeah.
we got.
Okay, sounds good.
So
then for 32,
What did you
I
get for
got the
31?
second one.
31 is
0.78.
0.78.
Good.
And then 32, I got
The second one?
the second one.
Okay. Sorry, cut off a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, 33.
33, I got 115.64.
Okay.
0.627.
Sorry, wait, for 34, you got 0.627?
0.627, yeah.
Okay. And 35?
40.9.
40.9?
240.9.
240.9. Sorry, it keeps cutting out a little bit.
No, you're good. And then 36, I got 0.518.
Okay.
37, I got 0.735.
Okay.
These, are you back on, Angie? Haven't gotten some?
Yep.
Did you get 30?
I'm ready on
Okay.
the next one.
This one, next one. Okay.
I don't have 37. Yeah.
Did you get 0.108?
No, but we can talk about that. Okay.
Okay, then did you get the, I think I got the last one for 39?
I chose the second one, but I don't, they're both B's. I guess they're just different B's.
Okay. Yeah, you guys can talk about it too and let me know what you decide on.
Okay.
And then 11.51 is what I got for the test statistic.
Okay.
Did you get that, Andrew? Or
I wrote Z test on my okay.
Then 41, I got p-value, or oh my gosh, I got 0. Did you get that?
I think when I thought I had done some of these, I think I made notes. So no, these aren't the answers. It says
Oh,
test of
okay.
one proportion in my answer spot.
And then for 42, I did reject the null.
Which one?
Which one?
Oh, the third one. And then 6, I did the one sample t-test. And then 44, I did the one sample z-test. And then 45, let's see, sorry, I always scroll them weird. I think I did the test of one proportion.
Okay.
And then 46, I did the test of two proportions. And then the last one, I did linear regression.
Okay.
So
All right.
let me know what you guys got, if you changed anything or whatever. And then when do we want to meet to finish this? Or you guys?
I can still meet Friday at like 3:30, 4:15, whenever you guys want to do.
I can do 3:30.
Okay.
Angie, Elena, can either of you do that?
Yeah, I can do Friday at 3:30.
Yeah, I can try.
I mean, I can meet again tonight if you guys want to get on after I finish work. It really shouldn't take us too long. So. What are your thoughts?
Probably Friday.
Well, are you going to be able to meet on Friday though?
I'll try to rearrange things. But I'll be there.
Because I only have to tutor for an hour, so I'll be done at 6:30-ish. But by the way, I submitted it and we got 100.
Yay!
Oh.
So that's good.
It's just more with me right now. I am exhausted.
Oh, tonight?
Yeah. I don't know if
Okay,
I'm going to be
so
better
Friday.
on Friday, but better than today.
Okay. Sounds good. So Friday, 3:30?
Mhm.
Yeah, that's fine. So do you guys want to keep working on this or just